feel about tattoos? Would you ever date someone with tattoos? May we see your tattoos if it's okay? We're just being nosy. Hi everyone! My name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. How do Filipinas feel about tattoos? Would they ever get one? How about dating a man with tattoos? Well, we will take these questions to the streets and ask Filipinas themselves. Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. How do you feel about tattoos?
It's cool. It's because it's art. Yeah, right.
Because it's art, it's
Yeah.
cool. And how about you, Be?
Um, it's cool.
Aside from it's cool, what else? Kapag nakakailan ka ba ng tao na may tattoo, ano bang naisip mo?
Artist.
Artist. Okay. So when you see someone with tattoos, the first thing that comes to your mind is artist.
Yes po.
How do you feel about tattoos?
um it's kind of artistic for a person who has tattoo. But in other people it's kind of here in our other country it's kind of bad because tattoo in older people.
Older
Yeah.
people. I see. And how about you, sir?
I must say, having tattoos is like a form of expression and a form of art po. Like expressing yourself through art, which is through tattoos.
How do you feel about tattoos?
So for me, if I would be like seeing someone with tattoos, I feel like I'm starting to wonder what is the story behind the tattoo. Because for me, tattoo is like their freedom of expression, their expressing themselves. So that in that particular tattoo, I'm starting to wonder every time that I see those tattoo, what is the story behind that one. So I feel like those people who have tattoo should be respected as well, because we don't know really what is actually behind the stories. Because sometimes tattoos make me maybe the tattoos that they have is actually like their way of forgetting or remembering something that they have um to remember or to forget, like some particular experience as well.
How do you feel about tattoos? Anong na-feel mo, ma'am, sa may mga tattoos?
So, ako ngunyan, ma'am. So, sa experience ko, ngunyan parang si at mapatato ako, natatakot ako. Pero ngunyan parang garo nag-i-enjoy ako na nagkaigwan tato. Actually, nga ako, tato ulit.
Appointment.
Yeah, next appointment.
So, before mom feels like she's scared of having a tattoo, but right after she got her first tattoo, she feels excited, like she likes it more, right? So, it's okay to have tattoos, right? You feel like it's okay.
Okay lang po, okay lang.
And then just
Din siyang, para sa naastigan ako ngunyan.
and then for her it's cool. It's cool to have a tattoo. Mom, may we see your tattoos if it's okay? We're just being nosy.
Okay.
Wow, that's a very cute flowers.
Simple.
Mom says it's very simple. It's very cool and it's very cute flowers. How do you feel about tattoos?
Pero Tagalog. Wait lang.
Okay.
For me, tattoos po is like yung representation mo about yourself and how you feel.
Oh. So it's okay for you, right? Like you like tattoos.
Yes po.
Would you ever get a tattoo
Pwede naman po, soon.
soon? How about you?
Actually, I am planning to get a tattoo. Pero baka wala na akong mauwiang bahay.
She said she's planning on getting a tattoo, but she's thinking like what, how do you say that in English? Like she can't go back to her home. Why? Is your parents are your parents against with tattoos?
They are against with having a tattoo.
May we know why?
I don't know, maybe they are not really into it.
Would you ever get one?
Someday I think if I have work already.
So now we don't have any tattoos, right?
No.
So someday. How about you?
I think I don't wanna have one since my skin is somehow sensitive.
Oh.
I've tried henna, yung henna po. And after having such, I've had like um my skin got swollen after that. So I think I wouldn't have tattoos.
But if you are not allergic, you will try, right?
Yeah, I'm open to it if I'm not allergic to it.
Do you have any tattoos?
I don't know.
Would you get a tattoo?
For now, I have sick parents. I don't. For me, right now, siguro pag may bahay na ako. Maybe if I already have my house, so if my parents will ask me to move out, I will have somewhere to stay.
So when you move out, that's when you can decide for yourself. Okay, that's very common here in the Philippines.
Yeah, true. Because yeah, we have like some what like conservative parents as well. So that's why. So we have to consider, since that I am still on their side, living with them right now. So I have to consider as well their opinions when it comes to getting tattoos, because that is something like permanent for me.
Would you date someone with tattoos?
Yes po.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth.
How old are you, Be?
I'm 21.
You're studying, right?
Yeah.
May we know what's your course?
I am taking up BSBA Financial Management.
You must be good at math.
Oh no. I'm terrible at math.
Financial, what is that?
Financial management. In the back, like
Or what job you'll get after you graduate?
like financial advisor, or in the bank, like bank teller. Yeah, right.
Banks, that's good. You'll have a chance to hold money every day, right?
Money that is not mine.
Oh no. And you, Be, are you single or in a relationship?
In a relationship po.
Oh, she has a boyfriend.
Talaga naman.
Okay, she said she lost. I'm just curious, Mom, are you single or in a relationship? They're cousins, right?
Yeah. I'm single.
How long have you been single?
I don't.
Years?
Yeah. Years.
Are you still studying?
Yeah.
May we know what's your course?
Nursing student.
So you must be smart.
I don't think so. Actually, we're both nursing student.
Wow, it's in the blood. They're smart. Would you ever date someone with tattoos?
For me, like right now, if there will be someone that will have tattoos, as much as just I have mentioned a while ago, I respect those people who have tattoos. So regardless if they will or if he will be like having tattoos, it's totally fine with me, as long as that is something like that is not demonic or something like a symbol. Like, because some of the tattoos like I have that one like.
Okay. You're what do you call these? You're Catholic, right?
Yes, I am.
May we know what's your job?
I am a call center agent at Sutherland Global.
Wow, that's very beautiful. Okay, and may we know how tall are you?
It's like 5'5". I think the last time I checked, it's 5.
She's very tall. Okay, anyway, thank you so much, Miss Salamat.
You're welcome.